Conversation on hotel key replacement. Hello, sir.
Hi, I need help.
Any problem, sir?
Yes, I think I have misplaced my key card. Can you please help me get in my room or provide me with a duplicate one?
Yes, I can do that, but I guess, sir, you were notified about terms and conditions at the time of check-in?
Yes, I am aware of that.
So, issuing another card would cost you 100 rupees and you are okay with that, right?
Yes, I am okay with it.
May I know your room number?
Yes, D324.
I would have to see your ID, sir. Can I have one?
Yeah, here it is.
Thanks, sir. Wait for a minute, I will arrange a duplicate card.
Yeah, sure.
Here, sir, this is your duplicate card.
Oh, that's great, thank you. Do I need to pay the amount now?
As you wish, sir. You can pay now or we can adjust the same in the final bill.
Okay then, let's keep it for the final one.
Sure, sir. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more conversational videos.